New information out of Boone County. Charges are dropped against the semi-driver involved in a deadly crash on I-65.
Matthew Small was facing 3 counts of reckless homicide after his tractor trailer hit slow-moving traffic, killing 3 people and sending 13 others to the hospital. Fox 59's Jesse Wells explains what led to those charges being dismissed.
Prosecutors claim the truck driver responsible for the crash set down a cup of coffee, then ran into stop traffic here on the interstate behind me. But in this paperwork, the judge ruled the deadly crash to be a tragic accident and not reckless homicide.
Here on I-65 northbound in early January, truck driver Matthew Small from Michigan lost control of his rig and killed this young family, Mariah and Hadley Tomey and Caden Kirk.
I know that he struggles on a daily basis.
Todd Meyer, the attorney representing Small, says his client is relieved the reckless homicide charges have been dismissed, but echoed this handwritten note by Small saying he was in agony over the ordeal.
This dismissal certainly doesn't, as I've stated, dismiss the pain in his heart that he feels over this whole situation.
In this order to dismiss the criminal case, the judge found Small was well rested, sober, and driving the speed limit, writing, "As tragic as this accident was, it was just that, an accident caused by the defendant's negligence, but not criminal conduct."
There were no warning signs, nothing to notify anybody that the oncoming traffic could be slowed or stopped.
The judge also noted the design of the interstate, which is being reworked, may have also been a factor in the crash by creating a dangerous situation beyond the suspect's control.
Being a Boone County guy, you know, I'm very familiar with that exit ramp there, and it backs up frequently.
The state of Indiana has already filed this complaint seeking just over $5,000 in repair costs, and Small's attorney suspects the victim's family will file their own civil suits as well.
In this particular case, the criminal court, the judge found wasn't the proper venue to be in. Their justice can come in a different forum.
Finally, the prosecutor declined to comment on camera today, but said in a written statement that the judge's order does not preclude the state from refiling the charges if they can find additional evidence. Jesse Wells, Fox 59 News.
Thank you, Jesse. Now, earlier this year, a truck driver from Missouri was convicted of causing a deadly crash on I-465. That crash back in July of 2019 killed a mother and her 2 young children. Prosecutors say Bruce Pollard had been speeding in a construction zone for several miles and failed to brake before the crash. Now, that was the basis for the criminal charges in that case. Pollard was sentenced to 9 years in prison.